Welcome back to Car Hub, the garage where speed meets soul. And today, oh man, we're talking about a legend. Not just any car, we're talking about America's supercar, the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette. And no, this isn't just a refresh. This one doesn't whisper. It roars. Picture this. It's a Sunday morning, you hit the ignition, and the engine growls like it's ready to eat the pavement. The 2025 Corvette isn't just fast. It's unapologetically loud, outrageously bold, and ridiculously fun. If Batman had a car on a budget, this would be it. Now let's break it down. The 2025 Corvette keeps the mid-engine layout that flipped the industry when the C8 dropped. That low, wide stance? It looks like it's doing 100 even when it's parked. Under the hood, or should I say behind your back, is a naturally aspirated 6.2L V8 in the Stingray, pushing out 495 horses. But step into the Z06, and you're looking at a flat plane crank V8 that screams to 8,600 RPM and drops 670 horsepower. That's exotic level madness, made in Bowling Green, Kentucky. Inside, it's fighter jet meets luxury lounge. You're surrounded by premium leather, carbon fiber, and a digital cockpit that wraps around you like it knows your pulse. The steering is razor sharp, the shifts are lightning fast, and the grip, it feels like the tires signed a pact with the devil to never let go. But what makes the 2025 Corvette truly special isn't just the performance. It's the feeling. You don't just drive this car. You connect with it. You bond with it. It becomes an extension of your heartbeat. You feel every corner, every throttle input, every note of that V8 like you're part of the machine. It's not just a car. It's a love story on wheels. And here's the best part, this level of performance, this drama, this design, is still within reach for many enthusiasts. That's the magic of the Corvette. While other supercars sit on posters or in dreams, this one sits in garages. Real people own it. Real people live it. So if you've ever dreamed of unleashing your inner racer, of hearing a symphony of horsepower echo through your soul, the 2025 Corvette is waiting for you. Hit that subscribe button right now if you're ready to chase adrenaline. Drop a comment below. What's your favorite Vette of all time? And stay locked in with Car Hub because we're just getting warmed up. Fasten your seatbelts, legends. I'll see you in the next ride.